Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure Docker is ready and Scout is installed. This gets you directly into analysis. First, install Docker Desktop or update the CLI, then run Docker Scout install or enable Scout in settings. Once installed, authenticate to your registry with Docker login so Scout can fetch metadata and SBOM. This step matters because Scout needs access to image layers and manifests. After login, you can immediately run the first scan. Don't pause. Start with a target image name. Next, you run targeted scans and tune them for your needs. Execute Docker Scout CVS image tag to enumerate vulnerabilities. Once done, add severity to filter noise or format JSON for automation. Make sure to use policy flags if you enforce thresholds in CI, because Scout will return actionable failure codes. If you need more context, include local SBOM or run with detail to see transitive dependencies and fix suggestions. This gives you the middle layer insights required to prioritize remediations effectively. Finally, you act on Scout's output and confirm fixes. Apply suggested upgrades, replace vulnerable base images, or remove risky packages, then rebuild and rerun Docker Scout CVS image tag to verify reductions. Make sure to update log files and SBOM so future scans stay accurate. If results don't improve, check authentication, clear cached manifests, and confirm your Scout plugin is current, because stale data causes false positives. One key troubleshooting tip: rotate credentials and relogin, then rerun with no cache to force fresh manifests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.